Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I want to review with you the new product, the new skincare product from Chanel. So I've been testing this product and the new micro serum for the lips. These products have been launched recently. They are not necessarily new, so this product is completely new. Le Masque, so it's a mask made with camellia and it's exfoliating. The closest product that I can compare this is the Evlom mask, the Rescue mask, which in my opinion, I think is one of the best masks you could ever try and put on your face. They both have camellia in it and they both have that clay ingredient, that key ingredient that you want in your mask if you want to help to soothe and mattify your skin. So this very mask, you use it twice a week. It will be helping to purify and your skin will feel soft and smooth and the skin texture appears refined. They say apply for twice a week, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then add water with using circular motion to exfoliate, and then you rinse it off. If you have a very sensitive skin or you have rosacea, I would stay away from this product. They're not necessarily made for super sensitive skin or if you have a problematic skin. This is aligned for dry skin if you don't have any major concern. They will help to clean your skin, obviously to hydrate. The mask here will help to purify, to mattify, but it's definitely, if you have any major concerns or if you have a very sensitive skin, I would say probably a no-go, but that's just my opinion. So this mask, I've been using it and I have to say it does help to mattify and to purify. You really feel that purity feeling of your skin. It's clean, but it's not tense, tight, clean. So that's a really good thing. And the mask has in it camellia seed shells and jojoba beads and mattifying clay. And it's a really nice feeling. So you apply the mask, you leave it on for 5 minutes. And once you're ready to rinse, you apply the water and you're going to exfoliate your skin at the same time. So that's kind of a 2-in-1 type thing. It's a really, really good product. So I've been really happy using the mask and it's a brand new product. Then La Mousse. So this is that's not a new product, but it's extremely good. I love how luxurious it feels. You have that thick product that just moves nicely onto your skin. To me, the smell is really nice. I use this product at night because I double cleanse. This is my second step. You need to avoid contact with your eyes, and I'm not joking, it's going to burn. You're not going to get blind, but it's going to burn your eyes. This is a cleansing cream. It's a cream to foam featuring depolluting blue microalgae and fortifying marine salicornia extract. On contact with water, the rich texture generously foams, and it really does give that rich texture that turns into a foam. It's extremely pleasant. It feels super luxurious on the skin. Deeply purifies the skin. Your skin is soft and complexion feels radiant, freshly radiant. Yeah, again, not necessarily made if you have a super sensitive skin, but otherwise, it really removes any layer of makeup that you could have forgotten with your first cleansing. It's a really nice feeling on the skin. It really feels purified. It's a good word for the feeling. So I use this one at night as my second step. Now they have Le Gel. So this is not a new product, but for me, it's just I love this range. It's part of the Hydra Beauty range. It just brings so many memories. I love the smell. I absolutely love the smell. It's just one of the first product that luxury brand that I've bought when I was starting to earn money when I was much younger. And it just brings so many memories. So I use this one in the morning. I use 2 pump. So it's a pump system. It's quite a big bottle. There's 150 ml. So it's a cleansing gel. It's a fresh texture transformed into an invigorating foam to purify and reduce shine. And it really does work. It does mattify and reduce the shine. Skin is refreshed and thoroughly clean. Lather the foam and apply onto the skin. So usually I take 2 pump, make it like a nice smooth in my hand, and then apply it all over my face. It really feels super clean, and I love how it does purify and mattify your skin. It helps to reduce any redness that you might have. So this is a really good product, but I prefer to use this one in the morning because it does mattify your skin. Whereas this one, La Mousse, it's a proper cleansing, but it's that luxurious feel that for me, it's more of an evening sensation. And in the morning, I don't double cleanse, so I just use this one. And it's been doing really, really good on my skin. So I'm really happy with this. And this is a whole new product. And I have to say, I'm so surprised, so happy. I used to be only applying at night Vaseline on my lips. Because if you want to seal the moisture inside, you need that layer, that jelly layer. And Vaseline is just that perfect product for keeping the moisture in. But I have to say, this one has been a game changer. So it's the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum Lèvres. So it's a micro serum for your lips. It's a bit of a treatment at the same time. It's packed with hydration. So they call it intense hydrating replenishing lip serum. So it's made to be hydrating and soothing lip serum featuring microfluidic technology enriched with white camellia and hyaluronic acid, replenish and look in moisture. The water, fresh, fast-absorbing formula instantly plumps and protect, leaving ideally prepped for makeup application. So, you'll see the applicator is that little tip, and it's got 4 little holes. That's kind of a squeegee plastic tube basically. And if you're familiar with the Hydra Beauty range, if I bring it really closer, you'll see all the little bits inside. That's where it contains the water, and as you press it, the product will come out. And it's just that really nice. I'll apply it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. So it's kind of that watery feeling. And once you apply it on your lips, it dries. The water and the moisture is completely absorbed onto your skin. And it just leaves that really plumpiness, nice feeling. And it's going to dry completely. And it doesn't leave any taste or anything, but it really leaves that completely nice plumbing effect. And there's no more shine. You see on my hand, it's going to dry, and it's just going to leave that such nice feeling. Like on my finger, it's completely gone, and you just have that radiance. It's not sticky at all. It just, I don't know how to explain. In the ingredients, you will have glycerin. The first ingredient is water, and then you have deglycerin and then a lot of other product. But basically, because glycerin is a similar product to petroleum jelly, so Vaseline, you'll still have that same locked in moisture feeling on your lips. So now see, it's completely dry, but it just gives that plumpiness. Even on my hand, it makes the skin look so great. So I've been using it equally at night, during the day, before lipstick, and it's really working. It's such a good product. This is such a great find. I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it every day since I've purchased it. It's just too bad there's no SPF protection in it, but you can layer your lip sun protection first and then add this one on top. It's a really, really amazing new product. So obviously Chanel, the skincare, is a cosmetic line. It's not dermatologic grade, but I think if this is what you're in for and this is what you want to try, you will see some great results. I do believe that this mask is extremely good because it does have some really good ingredients, and ingredients that are actually working and making a difference on your skin. If you look at the ingredients, you always have to look at what are the first ingredients, and you'll have at the very top of the list, the first ingredients is water, but like the fifth one is camellia flower water, and then you'll have all the other good ingredients that will actually make a difference. And it's not just alcohol and glycerin, which is a good thing. These two, I think in between the two of them, so La Mousse, it's extremely similar to the La Mousse On Off from Dior. I would dare to say the Dior one is a little bit better because it's got micellar water in it, which you don't with this one. And I think the Dior has a little more to it, but I'm really happy with this one. There's nothing wrong with it. This gel, however, is truly a good product because it's the product, the ingredient that it contains, it does help to mattify your skin and reduce the shine. So this is a super good product. And this little guy, well, that's amazing. That's just a great find. But again, this is cosmetic. It's not dermatologic. So if you have major concerns, all I can say is go see a dermatologist. They are there to help, and they will guide you to the product that you actually need for your skin. But if you don't have any concern, you just want something that cleanses and helps to reduce a bit of shine, these are super good products. They're not necessarily super cheap, so it depends where you are in your skincare, what you're looking for. But I'm quite pleased with these new products. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this short video for today. Let me know down below in the comments if what kind of skincare you guys are using. Cleansing, are you double cleansing? And let's keep the discussion going. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.